In the second lesson, in The One Who Stays, the title is God is with me and for me. And oftentimes, as we go through life, we go through situations that we can't really understand why it's happening, and we can't see a bigger picture. And so one of the visuals that we have in here is we have all these puzzle pieces that come in a box. So if we can, we want you to hide the box top and let the kids look at the puzzle pieces and see if they can figure out what the picture is making. Oftentimes in life, we're in the beginning of our story or the middle of our story, and we can't see that there is a good story ahead, and that the story can have a good ending because of God. And so we look at the story of Joseph, continue on from last week, and we see the end of his story and how Romans 8:28 was true in his life, that God was working behind the scenes even when he couldn't see, for something good, and he had a great purpose for his life. And every child needs to understand that can be their story as well. And so they're going to make these little cards, and what they do is they take these little sticks, and when they write on them, the color shines through the black. And so we want them to write the verse, and they each get a little wooden puzzle piece, and then they're going to attach that on their card with the adhesive we put in your envelope. This is a great lesson for the kids to see all the problems that Joseph went through, especially with his family. He had huge problems, yet in the midst of that, because God was with him and for him, he ended up having a great life and a very purposeful life, that he was able to do a lot of good, and he experienced a lot of good.